Hello, everybody. This is Patrick MontesDeOca with the Equity Management Academy Weekend Podcast for June 26, 2021. This report was published in the Associated Press through Seeking Alpha on June 25th, 2021. Most commodities valued in U.S. dollars are experiencing inflation. Summary. The number was 411,000 for those filing for unemployment, which was higher than the expected number of about 380,000. The U.S. dollar as a fiat currency and other fiat currencies appear to be far less desirable in the new virtual economy. Virtual assets such as Bitcoin have become far more desirable to investors. If you hold U.S. dollars, you are losing money over time as the dollar loses value. Looking for a portfolio of ideas like this one, members of Mean Reversion Trading get exclusive access to a model portfolio in Seeking Alpha. Fundamentals. New economic numbers came out for unemployment claims. The number was 411,000 for those filing for unemployment, which was higher than the estimated number of about 380,000. In reaction, gold is trading at $17.84. Silver is trading at about 8 cents at $26.19. Copper is slightly down about 3 cents at $4.29. Coin is at $1.98 at $2.28. The Grayscale Bitcoin Investment Trust is trading at about $28.86. Based on our proprietary variable changing price momentum indicator, the VCPMI for gold, the daily average is 1783. We are in a neutral zone again. There is no buy or sell signal for day traders. Gold is trading around the average price. It has activated a bullish price momentum. If it trades around the average price, there is a 50-50 chance of gold going up or going down. We wait for a market to reach extremes above or below the mean in order to place the highest probability trades. For gold, that means that the market coming down to 1769 or 1760, which are the VCPMI by 1 and 2 levels, or if there is a rally up to 1793 to 1805, which are the VCPMI sell 1 and sell 2 levels. The buy and sell levels have 90-95% probabilities of the market reverting from those levels back to the mean. 90% of the sell 1 and buy 1 levels, and 95% for the buy 2 and sell 2 levels. The VCPMI allows us to focus on what the market is telling us, instead of being emotionally affected by all the chatter in the media. We like to trade real money, gold and silver. Gold, silver have been a currency of value for thousands of years. Comparing them to Bitcoin and virtual currencies is a mistake, given the vast difference in the time frames during which they have been valued. Since the pandemic struck, gold has changed from being a commodity to being a currency. The U.S. dollar fell as gold rose. If you hold U.S. dollars, you are losing money over time as dollar loses value. The pandemic hastened the advent of a virtual economy. We had been playing with remote work, online buying and selling, and other aspects of a virtual economy, including a virtual currency. The pandemic just sped up the transition on all fronts. The U.S. dollar as a fiat currency and other fiat currencies appear to be far less desirable in the new virtual economy. Most commodities valued in U.S. dollars are experiencing inflation. Virtual assets such as Bitcoin have become far more desirable to investors. There's been a lot of discussions about the future of Bitcoin and virtual currencies. Most people can only trade a limited amount of products. We focus on precious metals and the Grayscale Bitcoin Investment Trust. In a way, we don't worry about the future of Bitcoin. We focus on what the market tells us about where Bitcoin is going each day, in a week or month or year. Bitcoin itself is unregulated, so we feel more comfortable trading the GBTC, which is a regulated product. GBTC and Coinbase are great tradable assets. As Coinbase volume increases, it will become an even better asset to trade. Once we establish the bottom of Bitcoin and coin, they will be interesting markets later this year. Bitcoin has a great track record now, going back about 10 years. It's a highly speculative, but a great asset to trade.
Are you looking for an automated artificial intelligence trading system? Do you want to analyze commodities and financial markets to determine when to buy and sell? Looking for an indicator to predict future trends in the commodities and financial markets? Welcome to EMA2 Trade Live Signals. Our Variable Changing Price Momentum Indicator, VCPMI, is an automated AI trading system developed and tested over a decade. The VCPMI algorithm is based on age-old vortex mathematics combined with Fibonacci wave theory, trend analysis, pivot points, and several other widely accepted financial analytical methods. The VCPMI can help you take emotions out of your trading and rely on simple mathematics to predict future trends in financial markets. This approach will make your trading more effective, consistent, and profitable. VCPMI algorithm. The VCPMI code points and levels are support and resistance levels and behave exactly like any historical supply and demand level. Therefore, the VCPMI code levels are useful as an index tool for both day trading and for selecting and exercising entries and exits for longer-term traders. Why VCPMI? The VCPMI relies on artificial intelligence to analyze markets and predicts future movements, which seek to determine what a security or commodity is worth at a given point in time. The VCPMI uses technical analysis in the form of mean reversion trading, which seeks to capitalize on extreme changes in the pricing of a particular market based on the assumption that it will revert to its previous state. The VCPMI can be applied to both buying and selling, as it allows a trader to profit on unexpected upswings and save when security or commodity is trading at an abnormal level. Visit EMA2trade.com for more details.